In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your personal information in HoneyBook, Account Info 2026. Let's get started by heading to honeybook.com in your browser. This works best on a modern browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge. Once the site loads, look for the option to sign in. Go ahead and log into your HoneyBook account using your credentials. If your account has security prompts or two-factor verification enabled, complete those steps as well to keep your account secure. After you're signed in, HoneyBook will take you straight to your dashboard. Your dashboard is your home base, showing recent activity and quick access to projects and tools. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation bar. This sidebar is where you'll find the major sections of HoneyBook, and it's what you'll use to get to your account settings. In the left sidebar, locate the Settings option. Depending on your view, it may appear as a gear icon or clearly labeled as Settings. Click that to open your account settings. Once you're there, make sure you're on the My Account area. Within My Account, select Account Info. This is the specific section where your personal profile details live, separate from company or brand settings. On the Account Info page, you can edit your personal information. You'll see fields for your full name and email address, which are typically required. Update your name exactly as you want it to appear on communications and documents. For your email address, enter the one you actively monitor. If you change it, HoneyBook may ask you to verify the new address, so keep an eye on your inbox for a confirmation email. You'll also see optional fields like job title, phone number, and personal address. Your job title helps clients recognize your role in communications. Add a phone number if you want clients or collaborators to reach you more easily. Be sure to include the correct country code if applicable. For your address, use the location that makes the most sense for your business needs. Some documents and templates may reference this information, so accuracy matters. Once you've made your edits, look for a Save or Update button on the page. Some sections autosave, but it's always a good idea to confirm changes by clicking Save if you see it. Watch for a brief confirmation message so you know your updates were applied. If anything doesn't look right, you can return to this page and adjust it at any time. That's it. By navigating to Settings, opening My Account, and updating your account info, you keep your HoneyBook profile accurate and professional. Keeping this information current ensures smoother communication and cleaner documents across your projects.